Endometriosis symptoms and treatments are described in this picmonic through the endometrium roses at the inner layer of the uterus, with symptoms and treatments. Patients can complain of dysmenorrhea, the Discman tampon, and cyclic pelvic pain, the cycle pelvis with pain bolts. Many suffer from dyschezia, the disc squeezing out of the rectum, and dysuria, the urine in flames. Dyspareunia may exist, the painful sex with disc piranha, and roughly 30 to 40% of people with endometriosis are infertile, the 30-dirty and 40-ouncer at the infertile female plant. Treatment involves surgery in extreme cases, the surgeon, but can begin with NSAIDs, the NSAID, and OCPs, the oral contraceptive case. Other medications include progesterone, the pregnant jester, and GnRH agonists, the gonad gopher dragonist. So in summation, endometriosis leads to dysmenorrhea, cyclic pelvic pain, dyschezia, and dysuria. Dyspareunia and infertility can also occur. Treatment involves surgery, NSAIDs, OCPs, progestins, and GnRH agonists.
For endometriosis, think of a Valentine's Day parade, and there's this uterus float being pulled around the city, with these endometrium roses throwing tissues from the inner layer of the uterus out to the crowd. And at the front of the float is this Discman tampon putting on a dance show. But when it runs out of music, the rose tries throwing it another disc, and calamity ensues from all these discs getting thrown all over the place. The cycle pelvis pulling the float finds itself in pain when a fight breaks out nearby and it's hit by flaming urine. You see, when the rectum accidentally swallowed a stray disc, it blamed the bladder for its painful poop sesh. Another disc flew in through a nearby window, replacing a man's unit with a disc piranha, which left its partner backing away from the painful sex. Her fearful cries made the end sad, so it ran and told the surgeon, who busted in the room with a scalpel, making for an awkward misunderstanding. The pregnant jester understood what was happening just fine, and she just asked if they needed some oral contraceptives. A final disc went flying into a fertility plant, spilling a dirty 30 from its soil and knocking over a 40-ouncer, leaving the plant infertile. That's when the gonad gopher borrowed a dragonist from the Chinese New Year parade and set out to dig up those no-good endometrium roses.